Hey guys, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. You guys have been waiting for the new stuff I've been putting on the store, and so this is brand new product that I'm putting on the store, and a lot of the items in these 4 boxes have been things you have been begging me for. So I'm going to open up all 4 of these boxes, show you exactly what's inside, and all the awesome stuff you can get on hookedonpickin.com.
You guys are a true blessing in my life. Thank you so much for helping me put this content out there to everyone. If you'd like to join these great people, please consider supporting me through my Patreon page. Check the link below.
All right, I want to start with the baby box. So we're going to start with the little baby box first. So I ordered a couple of new things as well that you have not seen on the store. And so, all right, magazine for more ordering ideas. What is in here? Very, very heavy. I can't remember exactly what I ordered. Oh, okay. So we have more of these. These are the stainless steel multi-tools. Comes with 13 different functions on it. And so we have a bunch more of those available. These are great stocking stuffers. We're selling them for $5 a piece on the store. That's an awesome thing. Order a bunch more of those. What are these? 12 pieces in here. Let's see. Okay, and these are, the Eagle Claw folding knives. See if I can get one open. Okay, they are taped closed. These are amazing. I love how beautiful these are. Look at that. So it's a foldable knife and it has a 4-inch blade on it, but really neat handle and everything. So those are available on the store too. Those are $10, I think. I'm trying to remember. $10, I think. All right, so that's the baby box. Not much in there. Ooh, my boxes are coming apart here. I'm going to set these off to the side, and then we're going to let's open one of these tall ones. See what we got in here. Oh, I think this is what you guys have been begging for. Now, I got 2 different kinds, so we'll have to see. These are the journals. Okay, these are the cross ones you guys have been begging for. Let me pull one of these out. They look like this. They have a lock on it. And the paper is all textured and kind of uneven. So it's a really kind of antique-y looking journal. Look at the side seam there. It's a really pretty piece. So these are actually $20 on Hooked on Pickin. So it's a really, really good deal for these. So I know when you find these in other stores, I'm going to put this back in the box properly.
They can be real expensive.
Yeah, they can be really, really expensive. They are actually genuine leather. So I think that's all that's in this box.
Should be 24 in a box.
24 in a box. Well, okay. So I think the same thing, I'm going to check the code. I think the same thing is in this box. Because I thought we ordered 48 of them because they were such a hot commodity.
So fast.
They do. They sold literally within hours when we put them on the store last time. So we decided to go gangbusters and just buy a bazillion of them. Okay, so yeah, these are the exact same number. Let me just check and make sure that the second row is the same. Yes. So I'm looking for another journal that I ordered, and I'm hoping that it's in the shipment. So, these are all of the cross journals. And so I'm really hoping that the other journals that I ordered are going to be in this huge box. Oh my word, this thing is so heavy. Okay. So let's see what's in here. These look like journals. Yeah, these are the other ones I ordered. Yep. Okay, these are called Tree of Life journals, and they're the exact same. They have the clasp, and they're basically the exact same. They just have this cool Tree of Life symbol on it. And
show the side and back, please.
So here's the side.
Yep, same as the other one, really.
And look at the back. It's cool.
Ooh, I like
on that one.
That looks nice.
Yeah. So the Tree of Life journal is really cool.
Buying from wholesalers?
I love buying from wholesalers because everything is brand new. I don't have to worry about condition. I mean, I always do check the condition. I'm going to set this.
Find one that sells, you can reorder it too.
Yeah, reordering is always a good thing. All right, let's see what's in these other boxes. Move this over now. We're just going to start pulling the little boxes out. Okay, I think some of these things we were sold out of on the store. And so we're going to see which this one is. Okay, this one is one of our famous gift box knives, and it is the Eagle knife. And you actually open it up and it displays really nice in this nice box. So there's the Eagle gift box knife.
It's called the Mad Eagle.
The Mad Eagle. I think I have it listed as the American Eagle on the store. American Eagle gift box knife. All right. Then this one is trying to get it out of the box. There we go. This one is the deer. Now it's a little bit of a different picture on these, and I don't think we had any deer left. We had sold out of the deer. So this one's a little bit of a different scene on the deer knife. It's on both sides, just like all the other ones. So we'll adjust the picture on the store, because they didn't sell the one I had before. For some reason, they changed it. Okay, and then this one, let me see. Looking at the numbers. Okay, this is a different number. This one is the bear knife. Oh, it looks really neat. This is the bear knife, and they all are very, very sharp. Bunch of stuff in there. I do have a new knife in there that I'm seeing over in the corner that I'll show you in a minute, but I'm going to finish all these box knives first. Okay, let's see. Just looking at the numbers to make sure. Okay, we haven't opened this one yet. Oh, that's the bass fisher one. So if you didn't know, I have fishing ones on there now with the largemouth bass. So for those fishermen in your life.
Perfect stock and stuff.
Perfect stock. And these are all $10 a piece. The box ones, I believe, right? Yeah. I thought so. Okay, now I'm just going to pull these out and compare numbers, because I think what we did was we just bought 2 boxes of everything. Move this out of my way, and then we'll open that in a second. Let's see, this one, the 2.5. Okay, so we've got 12 basically of each kind of knife. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just checking to make sure that everything came in my shipment properly. 2.4, yep. They have numbers on the sides of the box. And 2.6. All right, so I did get all 4 of the ones I'm supposed to. Here's my new knife. I actually had this requested by somebody, so I only bought a few. This is the Few, the Proud, the Marines. Let me open one of these boxes. So it comes in this cool, nifty marine box. And it's called a Marine striker knife. And I wanted to get more, but my wholesaler was back ordered on some of the ones I wanted. So it's got a clip. It's got a clip like this. And then it says Marines right on it. And you open it up. Ooh, that's a smooth opening. And look, it says Marines on the blade. You get to focus there. Ballistic knife. So that's cool, isn't it?
Looks nice.
Yeah, it does. So that's the Marine striker knife. I gotta figure out how to fold this back down. Oh, I pushed this to the side. I'm trying not to chop my finger off. All right, so we have some of those available on the store already. I can't remember if I put those for 10 or 15, but they're already available on the store. So just go to the knives section. You'll be able to find them there. And I think that is... Nope, I have this hidden box. What's in this box? It's a long box. Oh, more ninja throwing stars. These are actually, you can throw them, they do stick into the wood pallets. We've chucked them at wood pallets before. And so this is a perfect stocking stuffer. These are only $5, I believe, on the store. Yep. So that is all the stuff that I got from my new wholesaler. So go check out.
They might be 10.
Oh, the stars. Yeah, you're right. I think they are 10. So anyway, so go check out hookedonpickin.com to buy all of these items. They fly off the shelves fast. Everything that I just unboxed, I have actually sold out on multiple occasions. And so that's why I bought so much this time and why I had so many boxes. But hopefully you guys can find something that you want to buy for somebody as a gift or even for yourself. And hopefully it's been fun watching this unboxing. And remember, in the end, Jesus wins.
Would you like to make tons of money selling on Poshmark? Well, check out my new ebook, How to Create a Profitable Poshmark Store. Why do we sell on Poshmark? Where to get my inventory? How to create my first listing? How to sell my items? And then, of course, I give you also all my secrets on my top tips. If you'd like to purchase this ebook, just go to hookedonpickin.com or click the link in the description below.
Hey, thanks for watching. Hopefully you guys are having a great holiday season. And remember to go to hookedonpickin.com to find all of your fun things that you want to buy and peruse. Make sure you attend our fire sales on Fridays at noon Central Standard Time right here on this YouTube channel. And of course, if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and become a subscriber as well. Hit that notification bell so you know every time I put a video out and share it with your friends.